Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, October the 9th. We have here in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles and Sudokus. The first one is a letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Total of 6 extra Sudokus or puzzles, but I won't do them all. Only today I do 3 of them. And tomorrow the rest of the puzzles. So half of them I will solve, and the first one I will do is a 3-stars Sudoku. And this one will be a number 3513. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, the 3 stars, has always 25 printed digits. So correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes in this big square. So 1 box left for the 6 in this column should be there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, and look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row, the middle row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for the number 8. Alright. And now we have an 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then. How about? Yeah. Let me scan the puzzle. 7. Let me see. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Okay. Then, how about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 7. It should be the 7, yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7, there 7 should be here. Alright. Yeah. I'm thinking. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4. The 5 is missing, 3, 5. 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7 in this row. 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. Okay. 333 777 99 55. The 4 is missing, 444 and a 9. I'm scanning 6 8 7 4 4 9. Not easy at all. 9 2 3 5 3 5 7 again. Interesting. This one. 3, yeah. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number is a 3 in the last column. We see here 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. I've marked earlier with those 2 boxes with a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 139. Okay. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. 1 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. Okay. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1, okay. Then, 2. 2, come on. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2. Let's say 2. Okay. The 7 and the 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. In the column next. So that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay. 1, 9, 9, 9, 1, 9, 3. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3, 3. Ay. 2 numbers left in this big square. We have here 1 and a 4. The other pair should be 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those. That means we have a pair here. So those 2 boxes should be also a pair. 9 and a 5. 1 and a 4 are missing. We have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Here we have 9 and a 5. Okay. So now 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. In this big square we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this big square. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Alright. So, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this column. The 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 4 and a 5, okay. How about the 9? No, the 9 I cannot. 3. Now we have a 5 there. So this box is going to be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. One box left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box is going to be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box is going to be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. One box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing, 8, and the 9 is missing, 7 and the 9, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow, I'm well pleased with the time, because for 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 60 minutes. So is this really a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars then? 15, yeah. 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars, because I've completed this in 60 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, a binary and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.